So today we'll be going on a journey to the palm oil depot, and I'll be showing you how palm oil is locally processed here in Ondo State, how the owner of the depot makes money in his business, because here producing palm oil is free, but there's a way that the depot owner makes money. Okay, so you want to stick to the end of this video to see these and lots more. To produce palm oil, you need palm kernel fruits, also known as banga. And to get palm kernel fruits, there is somebody that cuts palm kernel fruit from the palm kernel tree. So this is how the man climbs up to the tree to cut down palm kernel fruits. I was so scared as he was climbing up, but since it is his job, I was not worried. I know that he's safe. Okay, so it just goes up. The palm tree is so tall, the root of the palm tree is deep, so even the tiniest of palm tree is not even something that can break. So that was just my confidence that this man climbing up cannot fall. And to climb the palm tree, you need that climbing rope that you saw him using. That you need that climbing rope to be able to climb the palm tree. And this is how tall this palm tree is, and it goes from palm tree to palm tree to cut the banga. In some palm trees, it can get up to 5 palm kernel fruits, it can get up to 6 palm kernel fruits, and in some it can get just 1. Okay, so it varies. And so that's how it just climbs the palm tree, cuts the palm kernel fruits. And for you to produce 125 liters of palm oil, you would need about 30 big bunches of palm kernel fruits. Now, if you want to go into the process of palm oil production, you can either buy your palm fruits in the markets. They sell in flour sacks, bags of flour sacks. Okay, you can get somebody to cut for you from the bush, or you can cut it for yourself. So those are the ways that you can get banga fruits. Okay, or those that are cutting, you can also buy from them. The price of the flour sacks of banga varies in the market, depend on the price of oil. As at the time of filming this, it is currently sold at 5,000 naira. I am live in one of the depots in Ondo State where I am currently filming from. I dressed in a depot cloth, and I also wore a shower cap to protect my hair from any form of dust or dirt. Hi, my name is Esther Ozioma Sanami, and if this is your first time of seeing me, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. On this channel, I talk about all things baking, tutorial, tips and hacks, lifestyle vlog, business and side hustle ideas, and more. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. I'll be taking you into the depot now. You'll be seeing the equipment that is being used, how palm oil is produced, and more. We are inside the depot now. This is the drum for cooking the banga. This is the equipment used. This is the fiber. This is the fiber and the kernel after the palm oil has been processed. So this will be picked because they need to separate the kernel from the fiber. So this is how it is being separated. You can see me using the knife for separating the kernel from the fiber. So this is the owner of this depot. I visited about 2 depots. So this person is the owner of this depot, and is separating the fiber from the kernel, because the kernel will be placed in a separate place, and that kernel is money. Now, when you go into the depot with your banga that you have already cut or bought to make palm oil, when you are done making the palm oil, the kernel that is gotten from the palm oil is for the owner of the depot. You don't take it away, it's not yours. You are only going to pick the fiber. Like this fiber is picking, he's still going to press it. When he presses it out, is going to produce more oils, and that oil will be cooked. So this is the chaff. This chaff can be used for setting fire. And then this is the kernel. So this man has been storing this kernel. As people do palm oil and the kernel grows, very soon it will crack it and he will sell it off, and there he makes his money. Making palm oil in the depot with your banga is free, but after the production of that palm oil, kernel is for the owner of the depot. In another video, I'll be showing you how this palm kernel fruit is processed, cracked, washed, packaged, and ready for sale. After cracking the kernel, the shaft is stored in another place, and this is sold by the depot owner, and he makes lots of money from it. He sells them in flour bags and people come to buy it for various purposes. Now to the production of palm oil proper. This is the banga. This one has been splitted. This is the banga. It has not been splitted. This one has been splitted here, and this is what we need for the production of the banga. So this is the banga. Some are very big, some are very small. When you cut it down like this, it is very hard. It is not easily going to fall off. So you will be leaving it for some days. It will change color and soft, and it will be easy to fall off. Okay, so when you have cut it down and left it like this, the next thing to do is to split the banga, which is what I showed you before. Okay, you split the banga. You can split it into tiny pieces, and when you split it, you will leave it for some days. After some days, it will be soft and it will fall off easily. It will come off easily. Okay, like this now has been left for some days and it's already falling off. So if you don't do it this way, you will not be able to get so much of palm oil from it. So you want to make sure that you allow it to come off on its own. This banga here is owned by different people who want to come and make palm oil in the depot. Some people, when they cut their banga and it's not enough, they'll just drop it, go back, look for more banga and bring it to the depot and keep it. So there are different sections where you can keep your banga for identification. So this is for somebody, and this would be able to make about 125 liters of oil. After splitting and leaving the banga for some days, it becomes very easy. So the owner begins to dust it like the way he's doing, and the banga comes off easily. You need to put a net under like this so that the banga can fall into the net, and from there it will be transferred to where it will be cooked. So when it is done, he throws this chaff. This chaff is also used to set fire. It makes the fire burn because it's firewood they are using. So this is the banga. Everything has been dusted. This will be cooked. So you need so much quantity of banga. This 30 bunches that I spoke about will produce about 3 flour sacks of banga. So 3 flour sack well loaded is what is needed to produce 1 palm oil, 125 liters of palm oil. So here, some of the banga did not fall off completely, so this woman is forcefully bringing them out because no banga must be wasted. If the banga is not complete, your oil will not be complete. So she has to forcefully break off the banga because she cannot cook this with the banga. And the fun part, myself and my little boy, we also did some stuff. He was excited just removing the banga from the thing that woman was breaking off. He was just separating it, and when I captured him, he saw himself in the camera and he was just laughing. So this is us just doing a thing in the depot. Okay, this is one of the drum that is used for cooking the banga, and this will produce 125 liters of palm oil, and the banga has been loaded and it has been cooking for more than 1 hour. Because the drum is long, it takes longer time to cook. Before the fire from under will get to the one at the top, it takes longer time. And then this is another tank that is used for cooking banga, and this can take banga that can be used to produce up to 425 liters of palm oil. So this tank is being loaded. It is 2 people that owns this banga. As you're seeing me opening now, the one under is for somebody, then they are separating it with this net, then the one on the top is for another person, and this tank can comfortably produce 25 liters of palm oil in 5 to 6 places. So the tank is bigger and it cooks faster than the drum because it is wide, and the firewood and everything that will be placed under it will make it cook very fast. This banga is done now, and these women that you are seeing here are the owners of the palm oil. So they are packing the banga for it to now be grinded and turned into palm oil. So just watch the process. As they are packing the banga, the depot owner is already operating the machine. So this is called the digester, and this digesting machine is the one that will grind the banga. It will grind the banga so well and peel off the skin. The operator is checking the banga and putting water and make it ready to be pressed, and then he's adding water so that the palm oil can come out very well. Now he has finally finished grinding, and then it's time to press. So he opens the mouth of the digester and now he's pouring it into the filter. This is called the filter, and he will be using a presser to press the banga. Now because this is overfull, he will be taking part of this already grinded banga into the digester back, together with the new banga that the women will be pouring in. So it helps the digester to grind the new banga well, and so that the oil can also come out. You can see what he's doing. Even before it presses the oil is already coming out. So the oil will be at the top, and then the water and any other dirt whatsoever will be under the oil. So this is his first pressing, and the oil is already coming out, and this is what he will continue to do over and over and over again until he has fully exhausted the banga and all the palm oil is out. If you've watched this video to this point, please give it a like, kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not, and please drop a comment. If you have question as well, you can send me a message. If you want to start up a palm oil business, or you want to buy palm oil at a cheaper price, then send me a message or drop a comment and I will reach out to you. Kindly enjoy the process. After grinding and pressing for a while, finally our palm oil is ready. The palm oil is the one floating at the top, and then all the water that was used for grinding the banga and any other dirt is settled on that. So the women will carefully take the oil and fill it in the keg. This is how palm oil is processed here. And then whatever is remaining under, there will still be oil under. It will be cooked and the palm oil will be extracted, and the fiber that I showed you earlier on will also be pressed. Oil will come out and it will also be extracted. I was unable to capture the video where the fiber is being pressed and cooked, okay, but basically this is how palm oil is processed. If you are still with me in this video, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop videos like this. And if you have any video you want me to run, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.